Have you ever needed to take a credit card payment for your business but don't have the equipment? GoDaddy Payments has a great feature to help you out with that. I'm Darlene, and I'm going to introduce you to Virtual Terminal. Virtual Terminal is one of the many features included with a GoDaddy Payments account. You can accept credit card payments from any browser-enabled device with an active internet connection. That means that you can use your computer, smartphone, or anything else that has a web browser. And there's no additional hardware to purchase or software to install, which makes it really easy for you to get paid. Virtual Terminal is very easy to use. You'll need to sign up for GoDaddy Payments to use it, but you don't have to pay an additional subscription cost. Once you've signed up for GoDaddy Payments, you can click on Virtual Terminal from the GoDaddy Payments hub. Enter the amount of the transaction, credit card information, enter a note if necessary, and click Charge. The money is deposited into your bank account as soon as the next business day. And GoDaddy's transaction fees are some of the lowest compared to other providers. There's no contracts and there are no hidden fees. You can visit godaddy.com/payments to see the most current rates. Virtual Terminal will be useful for you if you need to take credit card payments for orders over the phone, by mail, or even by fax. And yes, that still happens. With GoDaddy Payments Virtual Terminal, we want you to have flexible payment options for your business. I'm Darlene. Thanks for watching.